We are offering you Qualcert ISO 16009-2020 Vacuum Technology course. This specialized program is designed to provide you with comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in the field of vacuum technology. In accordance with the latest ISO 16009-2020 standard, vacuum technology plays a critical role in numerous industries. From manufacturing and research to aerospace and electronics, understanding the principles and applications of vacuum technology is essential for optimizing performance and ensuring quality in these high-tech fields. By completing the Qualcert ISO 16009-2020 Vacuum Technology course, you will be equipped with the expertise to implement and manage vacuum systems effectively, ensuring compliance with industry standards and enhancing system performance. Mandatory units of this qualification are Introduction to Vacuum Technology, Vacuum Measurement and Calibration, Vacuum Pumping Systems, Leak Detection and Testing, Safety and Environmental Considerations, Quality Assurance and Control. This course is ideal for engineers and technicians, scientists and researchers, quality assurance and compliance professionals, students and educators, industry professionals and managers. What is the duration of this course? The duration of the Qualcert ISO 16009-2020 Vacuum Technology course typically ranges from 3 to 5 days. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.qualcerts.co.uk for more qualifications and information.